Hey homeowners, have you ever been in this frustrating situation while living in your home? So maybe you're in your bedroom or you're in your living room and you're trying to enjoy your day. You're watching TV, you're on your tablet, but as you sit there, the sun is coming through those windows in that room and it bakes that room up. It's hot, it's unpleasant, and many times, even if you go and turn down the AC to cool down that room, it could just never catch up just because that part of the house gets so much sunlight and it's just so hot and it warms up that room so much, the AC is not able to catch up. So many times homeowners reach out to us with that specific problem, and so here at Dark Shade Window Tint, we're gonna show you how you can keep your rooms much cooler, tone down the glare, tone down the brightness that's coming through those windows if that's an issue with ceramic and dual reflective window films. Let us show you how it works. So we're gonna quickly compare a traditional outdated window film and a high performance ceramic window film so you can see for yourself that it's not how dark you go with this being the darkest film possible that you can install on a window. It's about the quality of the film and the film being a ceramic or dual reflective film that's gonna give you the high heat rejection for your home windows. Let us show you with the BTU meter. So right now it's about 80 degrees outside and the BTU meter is reading around 292, 290, and this is how low the darkest window film, the traditional window film, gets it to. 290 to about 250. And we're gonna show you a film that's not only much lighter than this film, but it is embedded with ceramic, so that means the performance is gonna be much, much better, even though it's a lighter film. So the BTU meter is reading at 290 again, and this is with a lighter shaded ceramic window film. So as you can see, it brings it down way more than a traditional window film. And because we're using high performance ceramic and dual reflective films, you can get away with installing a virtually clear film on your windows. It's so light, it won't even look like anything's on your window. Or you can install a middle shade to darker film depending on how much light you're trying to block and prevent from coming inside your home, because we all know every home is different, and so there's some homes that require a darker shade than others, but as long as you're using a ceramic and high performance window film, you're gonna get at least 50% of heat rejection or more with their clearest film, all the way up to 78% in heat rejection with their more darker films. And it's all because of the power of ceramic and high performance dual reflective films. So if you're a homeowner that finally wants to enjoy that room or that part of the house without the worry of it becoming warm and the worry of the sun blinding you, blinding the TV screen, we are confident here at Dark Shade Window Tint that using ceramic and dual reflective window films, it can solve and prevent that problem forever. So if you're interested in learning a little bit more about the films and wanting to schedule a free estimate that also includes free window film samples for your window tinting project, click the link below. It'll shoot you over to our website where you can learn a little bit more about the film, fill out your information, and one of our trained representatives will reach out to you to help answer your questions and schedule your free estimate that also includes free window film samples. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully you learned a little bit more about the power of ceramic window film. See you on the next one.